So, President Cyril Ramaphosa has confirmed that a new income support grant is coming this year. He says the current 370 social relief of the stress grant will be extended indefinitely, but in 2026 it will be redesigned. Now, here's the part everyone is confused about. Government says the grant will be linked to job seeking and skills programs. So, what does that actually mean? It does not mean you must already have a job to get the grant. It means you may have to prove that you are an active work seeker. For example, in future you could be required to register on government job platforms, apply for jobs when you are referred, or attend approved skills or training programs. In simple terms, you won't just receive the money and do nothing. The grant becomes support while you try to get work. So if you refuse to participate in job seeking or skills opportunities that are offered to you, you could eventually lose access to the grant. So the shift is being driven mainly by the National Treasury because the grant already cost the country around 40 billion rand a year. So right now about 8 million people rely on the 370 SRD grant, and more than 28 million South Africans receive some form of social grant from the government. So Ramaphosa says the grant helped keep millions out of food poverty since COVID-19, but government is also making it clear there is no longer a plan for a universal basic income grant. It will be a more targeted income support grant for unemployed people. So the exact rules are still not final. So more details is expected in the budget speech later this month by the finance minister. So the grant is staying, but the way you qualify for it is changing. Now tell me, do you think linking the grant to job seeking and skills will really help people find work, or will it just make it harder for poor and unemployed South Africans to keep their only income support? Let me know in the comments.